A community network is the terminology I like to use. Now, if you are heavy into leftist theory, when I start talking about it, you're going to be like, hey, yeah, it is. If you're a vet and you're going to be like, what? That's force. Yeah, it is. The reason you will see this template in a whole bunch of different places is because it works. It's super effective. You can accomplish a lot doing this. You are leveraging everybody involved and everybody they know at one time. So, what is it? Plain and simple, I like to keep it very open. So when people are setting one up, I suggest they